an art project. For this project, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need some paper. You can use construction paper. You can use newspaper if you have it, or you can use plain white paper. And we're going to cut different shapes. So I made some semicircles. I made some really long rectangles, some kind of short rectangles. Let's see, we got some squares, we got some little raindrops, some triangles, all different shapes. So we're going to need some scissors. And remember the rules with the scissors, we have to sit with our feet on the ground. Miss Kaitlin drew a little smiley face on her thumb, so she remembers that the smiley face has to be looking at her when we're cutting. We need some glue and some crayons or markers or colored pencils, whatever it is that you guys want to color with. Go get some stuff. Come back when you're ready. You guys got it all? Awesome. So Miss Kaitlin already cut out her shapes. But I have my piece of paper. I have, let's see what shapes we should use. I used some white paper and I colored in different shapes with some crayons. I think I'm going to use this yellow circle. Let's see. So we're going to make some flowers. And your flowers are all going to look super different, which I love. I'm going to glue my yellow circle right on my paper. I think I'm going to use a green rectangle. I'm going to make that the stem of the flower. There's my little stem. Now it's missing something. What do you think it's missing? Some petals on the flower. What kind of petals should I put on? Maybe I'll make this one a pink flower. I have some pink triangles that I can use as some petals. Let's see. I'm going to put the glue on there. I'm just going to start gluing on my petals. One. So Miss Kaitlin's first flower has how many petals? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 petals on my flower. But this flower looks kind of lonely, so maybe I should add another one. So let's take a little tiny green rectangle for the stem. Put him right by his friend. Maybe I want to use, let's see, what do we have? Oh, I can make some rectangle petals on this one, so they're a little bit different. And I have even smaller rectangles too. So, what color should my flower be? I think I'm gonna leave it white. Just put some glue on the middle of the flower. Glue that right on. Now does this flower look like it's going to be taller or shorter than the other flower? I think it might be a little bit shorter. Put some glue on your petals. So I have, how many blue petals does this one have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So do you think that I should add some petals in between too? Yeah? Okay. Let's see what shape we can use. Maybe we can use some little squares. I have some orange squares right here. I'll put my orange squares and we'll make a pattern. So what pattern is this one? It goes blue, orange, blue, orange. What comes next? Blue, you're right. Do these flowers look like they're all done? Or do you think maybe we should add some leaves onto them? Think we should do some leaves? Okay. Let's get some. Yeah, I have the perfect idea. I have little leaves that I glue onto my petal. There's one. Did that guy just have 1 or 2? 2? That one has 2. Let's see what else I could use for a petal. Maybe I have another green triangle that I can use for this little teeny tiny flower. You can even make a tree, you can make the sun, you can try to make a butterfly. There's so many choices that you can make. This is what Miss Kaitlin's picture looks like when she's all done. Maybe if you want to go back later, you can take a marker or crayon, you can draw some grass for them. And I think I'm going to draw a really bright sun. So I'm going to make a circle all the way over here, color it in. some little lines on the sun. There we go. So this is Miss Kaitlin's picture. I would love to see what your pictures look like. Ask Mommy and Daddy to send me a picture so I could see them. So excited.